Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for portable, efficient, and durable options for your outdoor adventures or off-grid power needs, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the FlexSolar 40-watt foldable solar panel charger. This lightweight, ultra-portable solar panel is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need a compact solution to keep their devices charged during hiking trips or camping excursions. With a 40-watt output and an impressive 24% energy conversion efficiency, this panel is powerful for its size. It comes equipped with QC 3.0 USB-A and PD 2.0 USB-C ports, allowing you to fast-charge 2 devices simultaneously. However, for peak efficiency, FlexSolar recommends using just one port at a time. The design is sleek and optimized for portability. When folded, it measures just 8 times 11.1 by 1.8 inches and weighs only 1.76 pounds, making it small enough to fit into most backpacks. The IP67 weatherproof rating, combined with an ETFE laminate coating, ensures durability in harsh outdoor conditions, although the junction box isn't fully waterproof and should be stored indoors during heavy rain. This makes it a reliable choice for short trips or as part of an emergency kit. While the FlexSolar panel is excellent for charging smaller devices like phones, tablets, and power banks, it lacks energy storage capabilities and higher wattage outputs needed for larger devices or power stations. It's a great budget-friendly option for those who prioritize portability and device charging versatility, but it may not suit users looking for a heavy-duty solution. Overall, the FlexSolar 40-watt panel is a solid entry-level choice for outdoor energy needs. Coming in at number 4, we have the MARBERO 100W portable solar panel. This panel is a versatile and durable option for outdoor enthusiasts and those preparing for emergencies. Boasting a 23% conversion efficiency, it delivers reliable power even in cloudy conditions, producing 65 to 70 watts in low light. The MARBERO panel features a wide array of connectors, including USB-A, USB-C, and multiple DC options, ensuring compatibility with most portable power stations and devices on the market. At 6 pounds, this panel is relatively lightweight for its 100W capacity. It folds down to a compact 14 by 15.6 by 1.18 inches and includes 2 adjustable kickstands, making setup a breeze. The ETFE coating and IP68 waterproof Oxford fabric provide excellent durability, allowing the panel to withstand light rain and dust. However, the control box is not waterproof, so you'll need to take care in wet conditions. With its smart IC chip, the panel automatically optimizes charging efficiency while protecting your devices from overcharging and short circuits. The MARBERO panel's combination of portability, efficiency, and wide compatibility makes it ideal for camping trips, RVs, and emergency backup. However, users with high wattage needs or those looking for extreme portability might find it slightly bulkier than some alternatives. Overall, the MARBERO 100W delivers a robust and adaptable solution for a variety of off-grid energy needs. Taking the 3rd spot is the ZOAK W 100-watt portable solar panel. This product is a fantastic choice for those looking for a balance between power output, durability, and ease of use. Featuring a 23.5% conversion efficiency, it's capable of generating significant power even in less than ideal conditions. The ZOAK W panel includes versatile output options such as USB-A, USB-C, and multiple DC connectors, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of portable power stations and devices. Weighing in at 9.48 pounds, the ZOAK W panel is heavier than some competitors, but it compensates with its robust build. The ETFE coating enhances durability, making the panel waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to harsh weather. The foldable design includes a magnetic handle and 2 kickstands for easy setup and efficient sunlight capture. However, As with many foldable panels, the control box isn't waterproof, so users should avoid prolonged exposure to rain. This panel is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable power for camping, RV trips, or emergency situations. Its slightly heavier weight might be a drawback for those prioritizing portability, but its durable construction and high efficiency make it a worthy investment for off-grid power needs. In the runner-up position, we have the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. This budget-friendly option offers exceptional value for a high-capacity solar panel. With a 23.5% conversion efficiency, it delivers consistent power for off-grid applications, making it an excellent choice for RVs, camping, and emergency backup systems. The panel features multiple output ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and a DC connector, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The design is robust, yet portable, weighing 16.96 pounds and folding down to 25 by 21.1 by 2.2 inches. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and dust, but it's not designed for prolonged exposure to heavy rain. The magnetic folding design and 4 mounting holes make installation straightforward. Whether you're tying it to a car roof or setting it up on the ground, priced at $194.39, this panel offers incredible value for its wattage and durability. It's perfect for users who need a reliable, high-capacity solar panel without breaking the bank. However, its weight and size might be a bit cumbersome for those seeking maximum portability. Overall, the Renogy 200-watt is a top-tier choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on performance. Finally, at the top of our list is the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel blanket. This premium option is a game-changer in the folding solar panel market, offering cutting-edge technology and superior portability. With a 25% conversion efficiency from N-type solar cells, this panel delivers reliable power output even in extreme heat. Its versatility is unmatched, with multiple installation options and a 2-meter cable for easy connectivity to power stations, batteries, or USB devices. What sets this panel apart is its lightweight design. It weighs just 8.82 pounds, making it the lightest 200-watt panel in the industry. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in a backpack, and it unfolds to cover a large surface area for optimal sunlight capture. The ETFE laminated case and IP65 rating ensure durability, while the reinforced stitching and shoulder straps make it easy to transport. It's designed for a wide range of applications, from RVs and cars to boats and off-grid living. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $224.99, the Renogy 200-watt solar blanket offers unmatched performance, portability, and durability. It's the perfect choice for users who want the best of the best, whether for outdoor adventures or reliable off-grid power. If you're ready to invest in a premium solar solution, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.